Alright guys, I'm back. We are revisiting my grandma's Fredrich Unifit. I'm not gonna turn it on because it's cold out. Here's the data. I don't know if you see it. Fredrich model US12B30A, 11,700 BTUs, 11,400 BTUs, 1,200 input. I don't know, 9.1 BTU series, 230 volts, 208 volts, single hertz, 5.8 amps, 2.8 phase, single phase, and I think this was manufactured or something because it's gotta be manufactured. Look at that. There's mold in there, or it's just dirt. Because I'm gonna get. Here's the timer. I'm gonna touch it. Here's the temperature. Oh, the wrapping. I think the wrapping may be still on this. Here's the plug. This is a 208 to 230 volts. This is the 11,000. This cools like the whole room here.
But that might be close to your bloating. I mean, you can get antioxidants from
Here's your vent. This is your louver. This louver broke. Look at that. That's nasty. May have to pull this out, maybe. Clean it up. Fredrich logo. This is a radiator. There, that's disgusting. Here's the plug. And TRC. I don't know what that means. Here's the model. I thought this was supposed to be like a CP. US12B30A. These are good units, but they just get moldy. I never knew mold was in here. No, my grandma's bedroom.
Well, if I rearranged it. Should I try this one? Look.
Here's one in my grandma's bedroom. It's a Danby. I'm not gonna fire it up. There's some units outside. I may go out and look for some. Here's the plug. Here. Yeah, this may have a Retchi Precision. I think my grandma does have the remote for this. Let me look. Oh. Pretty sure my grandma has it somewhere. Oh, thought it was something. Yeah, so I'll find it later, probably. Yeah, it's not that dirty. Here's the outside. Ew, don't wanna. But one day, maybe I'll get this to work. This is a Danby. I'm gonna get your data sheet. Where's the model number? I think this is it. This is. Come on, model DAC 60111E. Here's the serial 13010. I'm not gonna. Here's the BTUs it has. I thought it was a 5,000 for a second, but it's a 6. Here, 150 volts, single hertz, single phase. I don't know how many amps, but this is a 6,000 BTU. For a second, I thought it was a 5. This is Energy Star rated. The model number's fading off. I'm pretty sure. It's a little dirty. This may have I don't know what compressor it has. Probably Retchie, old Retchie Precisions, or the original Retchie Precision. I mean, like on my higher or Quingen rotary or Quingen rotary or GMCC. I'm not entirely sure what this compressor is, but I'm not gonna fire it up. It's unplugged right now, so yeah. So here's the Windows side brackets. Maybe I'll get you the outside. Ugh. Here it is. The compressor may be on the other side. But this is probably a GMCC. Maybe one day I'll keep this. But yeah, just got a recorded video today. So, your sleep. So you got auto, high, medium, and low. So you got your mode. I think this is auto, cool. This is fan. I think this is energy saver. I'm not entirely sure. This is probably sleep mode. This is probably energy, the Energy Star rated. Yeah. So I thought this was like a 5,000 for a second. I kind of be looking for this Danby units. Okay, maybe I'll get you guys back later. Bye.